Today I'll be doing a little bit of a different video. Most of you probably know I recently purchased a UFQ A28 headset. I was contacted about a week ago by the owner of UFQ, and he offered to send me a couple of extra headsets to test, some different models. He sent me as you can see on the board behind me, the UFQ L1 and the UFQ A7. So I've gotten the box today. I'm going to tear into it and we'll take a look and see what is in there. If you're here for the A7, this is what I'm going to open. I just got the box today. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing. So just like the L1, the A7 comes in a nice little carrying pouch. Looks very similar, maybe a little bit bigger because it's a bigger headset. This headset has active noise reduction, ANR, and it looks as though it's built to compete against the Bose, based on the materials I've looked at. So at first glance, it looks like it's a pretty nice little headset. Actually sort of looks like the Bose A20, probably a little lower quality. The headband doesn't have the springs and things like the A20 has. It does seem to have the leather ear muffs though, ear cups. Has a nice little boom mic here that is adjustable. It's supposed to be pretty good quality. If it's anything like the A28 that I have, the microphone's actually, it works really well. I haven't tried this out. Like I said in the other video, I hope to get out and fly with these in the next couple of weeks whenever the weather looks good enough to fly again. I'll take them out and give them a shot, see how they work, the ANR portion of it. It looks like the switch to turn on and off the ANR is right here. There's probably no batteries in it. So it looks like you have, this, I'm assuming this is the control to turn it on and off. The switch is on the side, but this is probably where the battery would go. Yes, it takes two AA batteries. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. Has a 1/8 inch jack on the side. I'm assuming you can plug in a music player or GPS or something along those lines. So you can mix that in with whatever's coming through your audio panel on your airplane. Obviously it has, this particular one has GA, two plugs, one's for headphones, one's for microphone. Typically the bigger one's for the headphones and the smaller one's for the microphone. It comes with a really nice looking lapel clip here, so you can keep the weight off of, so that the cord isn't pulling it off your head. It also comes with a 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch audio jack. I'm assuming you can use this to plug into the side of this, and then the other end you can plug into your phone or your iPod or whatever, to get audio in and out. Well, probably just out. I assume this is video or audio coming from your, let's say for your iPod, for example, if you want to listen to music while you're flying, you plug this into your iPod, plug this in here, and then the audio will come into your headset. Just like the L1, it also has a little pouch on the inside, a zippered pouch. Let me try and zoom in here a little bit. And just like the L1, it also has kind of a funky smell when it comes. It smells like a factory. My A28 also had kind of a funny smell when I got it. After a couple of days, it kind of, once it aired out a little bit, it faded and it smelled just fine. No worries at all. There's something inside of here. It looks like a, oh cool. So it says as a gift. It has a little Bluetooth receiver. Pop this out. And so I'm guessing it's rechargeable. It has a little USB device or USB charge cable. Plug that in and charge it, I assume. It's probably got a battery built into it. and then you'll plug this little 1/8 inch jack right here in. I assume you could probably also use the same cable that we were looking at earlier. Plug that in. And I assume you can pair this with your phone or iPod or whatever and be able to use it to, I don't know if it will do audio in and out. It's possible you can only listen. It does have a little mic on it. I don't know if that actually will translate in through the 1/8 inch jack in this or not. Probably not. My guess is that it won't. But still, kind of a handy little device to have in there if you want to listen to music via Bluetooth. I'll have to verify whether or not it comes with, if it works as, you know, as a microphone as well for your phone. On the back panel, there's a little stretchy pocket. Comes with a little bit of marketing and the A7 guide, the user manual. So that's pretty much it. Looks like it comes with some pretty cool things. Nice little features. I'm going to go ahead and pack it back up now. Turn this back to focus in on the table. Does feel very light. Hopefully that doesn't mean also breakable. Hopefully this stays sturdy. Does seem a little bit delicate though. Hopefully it lasts. We'll see. But you know, for the cost, it's about, you know, 1/3 to 1/4 of the cost of an A20, Bose A20. So I mean, it's got to be for that price. You could buy a few of them, so it might be worth investing in it to see how it goes. Unless you're partial to the Bose name brand. As I mentioned in the L1 video unboxing, I do plan to take this flying with me soon and do a pretty comprehensive test on it. I really want to try and see how well the A&R works on this. Hopefully it compares to the A28, which works really well. I was very surprised when I bought it for, I think I paid $250 for the A28. This one I think retails about the same price, maybe a little bit more than that. So hopefully it works as well or better. The case is really nice feature though. Seems like it's very sturdy. Probably withstand some banging around. Has a little padding in it. Like the extra little pockets and things as well. So seems like it's going to be a pretty decent product.